want to share with you how you can smell good throughout the day. That is what this video is going to be about today. So without wasting any time, let us dive right into the video. So guys, what you want to do now is to get your lotion. I'm going to be using this Vaseline Healthy Body Glow lotion. This is not what I use normally. I use Lemon Fresh on my skin, but I'm going to be using this today as a demonstration. You can use any moisturizer you have. You don't have to use what I'm using. You can use your body moisturizer, and you're just going to apply your moisturizer on your skin like so. I'm just going to apply your moisturizer on your skin. And guys, this is how to apply your moisturizer on your skin. Some people do not know how to apply moisturizers. They just, you know, slap the moisturizer on the skin. You have to rub your moisturizer into your skin. You're just going to rub it into your skin like so, and you're going to wait for your moisturizer to properly enter into your skin before I show you the next trick. After applying your moisturizer, you would want to take Vaseline. Okay, you don't have to use Vaseline. You can use any petroleum jelly that you have, but I'm going to be using Vaseline because this is what I have. So you're going to take your petroleum jelly, and you're going to apply your petroleum jelly to your neck area, like to the back of your ear. You're going to do it for the other side too, and you're going to put this Vaseline on the pulse points in your body. You're also going to put it here. Okay, you're going to put it here also. You're also going to put the Vaseline at the back of your knee. You're going to put it at the back of your knee like so. And if you want to put it in between your breast, you can put it in between your breast too, because that place also gets warm. You want to put the Vaseline on places that easily get warm on your body. Now guys, you're going to take your body mist. Okay, the body mist I'm using today is Body Philosophy, and this is the scent Candy Rainbow. Okay, and I got this for 1,600 naira. I just got this yesterday. I saw it and it smelled really nice. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using. You're going to put the Vaseline, then you're going to take your body mist and you're going to spray it on the areas where you apply your Vaseline. Okay, you're going to spray it there, and you're also going to spray it on your neck area to the places where you apply your Vaseline. And what this thing does is that the perfume, like, because Vaseline doesn't enter into your skin, Vaseline just sits on your skin. So when you spray the perfume on top of the Vaseline, the perfume is not going to enter into your skin, so it's just going to be on the surface of the Vaseline, and that way it's like the scent will last longer. I'm also going to do it at the back of your knee. This way you're going to smell really nice. Like, this is what I do every single day before I go out. I put Vaseline on the places that I usually get warm. I put it at the back of my neck, put it here, put it on my back of my knee, and I spray my body mist. After spraying my body mist, guys, I am going to smell good throughout the day. As in, this trick, you guys need to do this trick. This trick is really nice. It's going to help you to smell good. Another thing that you can do is that you can take some portion of water like so, and you're going to spray your perfume inside your water. You're going to spray it inside your water. Okay, you can like spray different scents if you want. I'm also going to be using my body mist, this one. I'm going to spray it inside, and after spraying it inside, you're going to take your iron. Yes, you're going to take your iron, and then you're going to open this part of your iron. You're going to open this part of your iron, the place that helps to like steam up the iron and helps with your clothes. Then you're going to pour the water where you sprayed your perfume in. You're going to pour it inside. You're going to pour it inside your iron, and then you're going to cover it up. And then when you iron your clothes, it is going to make your clothes smell nice. This is what I do every single time. Imagine if you're going to iron these clothes now. For example, you're going to take your iron after you plug your iron, and when you're ironing your clothes, the perfume in the water you added into the iron, everything is going to enter into your clothes, and you're going to smell nice throughout the day. Like, this is what I do, and since I discovered this trick, guys, I did not miss a day. Even when my clothes like my clothes does not need to be ironed, I still iron my clothes so that the perfume can enter really well into my clothes. Another thing that you can apply into your water, you can apply tea tree oil, you can apply any essential oil that you want to, and you can put it inside your iron. So when you're ironing your clothes, girl, your clothes are going to smell nice. Okay, so this is one of the tricks that I learned. It is something that, guys, you have to try this. It is something that you have to try. It will make your clothes smell really nice. Like, I am smelling really nice right now, and it will make, like, anytime you go anywhere, people will be asking you, what are you using? Like, you smell good throughout the day. Guys, please share this video with your friends, because this is going to be helpful for you guys. This trick is really nice, because if you look good, you have to smell good, and this is one of the ways that I do, one of the things that I do to smell good. And another thing that you can do to smell good is by using very good body scrubs or very good body washes. There are some kind of body washes that when you finish using them, you're still going to smell nice. Apart from body washes, there are some bar soaps that smell really nice. Y'all know that the last video I made body scrub using coconut oil and coconut shower gel. You can see that I have used it up to this point. It smells so nice. Like, anytime I come out of the shower, my nieces are always like, auntie, what are you using? You smell so nice, because this smells of coconut. And anytime I come out of the shower, since I started using it, I've used it the day I made that video. I used it that day, I used it yesterday, I use it morning and night. Guys, normally I don't exfoliate my skin morning and night, but this thing smells so nice. So this is another way that you can smell so nice. If you do not have a lot of money, you can do this trick that I just showed you. This trick is going to save you a whole lot of money, like spraying a lot of perfume on your body. You can just use this trick. Put your water, put your perfume inside your iron your clothes, or you can put the Vaseline on your pulse points of your body, and then you spray your perfume on those parts of your body, and trust me, guys, you're going to smell really nice. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If this video was helpful, please do not to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.